In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Backpack in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, this icon and this slot are dedicated to the Backpack. So, the Backpack is going to be an upgrade that you can acquire. Basically, it is used for stuff that you might want for later. When you pick up a weapon that takes 2 slots, like a crossbow, you can store another weapon or shield for when you need them. This can also be used by rolling with the appropriate mutations. So when you find a new weapon on the ground and you interact with it, a menu will pop up asking which of your current items you would like to replace. A third option will also be available to put the item in your new backpack. The button to do this will be shown at the bottom of the screen, but usually it is going to be Y on an Xbox controller or triangle on a PlayStation controller. Once the item has been added into the backpack, you will be able to retrieve it by holding down your Use or Interact button, so it is going to be the same one that you use to open doors or recycle items. The item from your backpack will pop out, allowing you to swap it with one of your currently equipped weapons. So, it has 2 primary uses. It allows you to carry a situational weapon where you would like to switch on the fly, so you can keep a weapon that is especially effective against bosses like the giant killer in your backpack, while using a different weapon for clearing biomes. And it also synergizes with mutations, so several power mutations are specifically designed to work with an item on your backpack. Armadillo Pack is going to work when you roll with a shield on your backpack, allowing you to parry attacks and projectiles. Acrobatic Pack allows you to roll and your ranged weapon from the backpack will fire a projectile, and Porku Pack allows rolling through enemies to cause a melee attack in your backpack to attack them. Some items, particularly two-handed weapons like the heavy crossbow and a few specific weapons, cannot be placed in your backpack. You can only store weapons and shields in your backpack, not skills or amulets, and you can adjust the position and opacity of the backpack slot if you go over to the game settings. So I hope I was able to give you a general overview on using the backpack. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our content are not subscribed, so if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.